my jingle bells, by the way. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, boys, girls, fishes, and other. Today... Oh, I'm sorry. Did that hurt your ears? Well, unfortunately for you, you're in Gura's kitchen now, and Gura's kitchen means Gura's rules. Everybody! Hello! Okay, today! Merry Christmas, by the way. Is it Christmas where you are? Perhaps it's Christmas Eve? Or, Christmas... Oh, I'm wearing headphones, Gura. Stop it! My small, tiny ears can't handle the sound of excited chef! Ah!
Hey, you. You're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right?